yeah, I also wanted to say that I did do an eyebrow tutorial. I did do an eyebrow. I made a bit. Is it worth it? Yes. Everything about it is. Tiara, really? I'm doing a video. So rude. Usando in
for the last time. Sitting here reminiscing about why we kissing, baby. I gave you top of the line, I know you miss it, baby. I got a lot on my mind, you should've listened, baby. If you could turn back the time, you would've missed it, baby. You would've listened to the words, I swear. Your shit wouldn't be out on the curb, I swear. I swear to God, you got some nerves, I swear. But after listening to them birds, I know I put on with your bullshit for the last time. Who would've?
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wiltasha, but you can just call me TayTheySay. Today I'm coming to you with a wig review with this wig I am wearing now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. And tell you a little bit of details about this wig. I did get this wig from Sounds Beauty. I did do a previous video on another wig that I got from Sounds Beauty. I'll go ahead and link that somewhere at the top so you guys can watch it after you watch this one. It is the total opposite of the wig I am wearing now. It's long, curly, and it has color in it. But again, if you are interested in watching that video, I will link it for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get into the details about the wig that I'm wearing now. The wig does come in a package like this, like most wigs. I did again get it in the color 1B, and it is the brand Outre or Outre, I believe that's how it's pronounced. So this is the paper, and this is the style of the wig itself. It does come in multiple colors besides the one that I have. Again, it is in the style Samie. And you could put heat on this wig up to 400 degrees. So if you want to do that, you do have the option. I like this wig. It's so nice. It's so pretty. But I did get the color 1B. Now, I'll say the only thing that I do not like about this wig is the parting, because it's like so close together. I'm not used to plucking my parts or anything like that. I'm not experienced with that, so it kind of sucks. Also with the parting, the last wig parting looked a little more natural, looked a little more plucked, a little something you can work with. So the only thing I probably do is probably put concealer and call it a day. But other than the parting, I like everything else about it. I like the style, I like the texture. This wig comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side right here, 1 in the middle and 1 in the back. It comes with adjustable straps, which I really is very grateful of, because I got a little pea head and I need it. Now, I didn't lay my edges yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that.
This baby, now baby, you been really wildin', baby. Top of the line, I know you listen, baby. I got a lot on my mind, you should've listened, baby. If you could turn back the time, you would've missed it, baby. You would've listened to the words, I swear. Your shit wouldn't be out on the curve, I swear. I swear to God, you got some nerves, I swear. But after listening to them birds, I know I put on.
Now, with this wig and the last wig that I reviewed, they both said Swiss lace when I bought them, but there is a difference. With this one, I really like the lace. It's stretchy. I already cut off the lace. The lace did look like something like this. It's very stretchy. It's soft. It doesn't seem like it's going to irritate like my skin or anything. Now with the last one, the lace said Swiss lace like this one, but it was harder. It's a little more irritating. Like, it caused my forehead to itch and stuff like that. Not too bad, but you know, you do notice that. So I'm not sure what's the difference between it, but that is a difference, just to let you know. And this one has about a ½ inch worth of lace around the perimeter and lace part right here. So I do think you can pluck it. But anyways, so yeah, that is a difference between the 2 wigs. Now with this one, I did wear it when I went out with my mom on her birthday like 2 days ago. So I did get to take it out and see how it maneuvers and things. Everything is good about it. I got a lot of compliments. But the only thing I would say, when you lay your head on the back of something, it does get a little distorted back there. Not nappy or tangled, but you can still see like it's kind of much. So you might have to keep a comb with you, just saying. And it also has a thing with some flyaways, like little hairs that like to stay on your that one little strand that had to like stay on your forehead and invade your forehead privacy. It does do that. Now, I'm not sure if it's because of me, because I move a lot, or what it is, or maybe it's the wig that just has that problem. Let me check. I'm not really sure, but it does do that. So I did want to let you guys know. But other than that, the style is beautiful. Everything about it is so nice. I really, really like it. It's a cute wig. It's worth the money. I really like it. I can't wait to wear it to work. I wanted a style that I can wear other places, like my job and things like that. I can wear that every day. That's not too long, so it won't like irritate me, because the job I do requires a lot of movement, a lot of bending, ups and downs, backs and forths. You get the picture. So I wanted something that I can wear that's cute and that won't bother me too much. That's all I really have to say about this wig. Again, I really do like this wig. It's really nice. It's really cute. I got a lot of compliments on it. I can't wait to wear it to work. I like the color. I like the style. I like everything about it. The only thing I probably would change would be the parting. But other than that, it's a good wig. It's worth the money. And again, if you're interested in buying this wig, I will have the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll go ahead and link that last wig review down in the description also for you, so you can go ahead and watch it. And I'll see you guys in another video. I just wanted to point out I did do an eyebrow tutorial, so if you wanted to check that out, if you're interested, I will have that link in the description. And yeah.